Yeah, I'm back, y'all, filming. This is my 96 Chevy OBS GMT 400. I'm Lswapman it. As you can see, I'm about done. I got all the lines ran pretty much for the heating and the cooling. And we're about there. I got to set up the drive-by-wire initiative tomorrow. And y'all know that wiring harness looks like from a pain from the depths of hell, but hey, we're gonna still go with it. But we're almost back together, and really kind of stoked at how she's turning out. She's turning out real clean, turning out real nice. It's a nice, pretty much clean swap. I'm gonna clean up a lot of other things and I'll get back with you, show you a little bit more of the truck. Pull the bed off of it, I hit the frame and got the frame all nice and clean. And thinking about going with airbags. I haven't decided yet. I'm probably just gonna drop it for now, but oh no, she's turned out to be gonna be a pretty nice truck. I got a couple of dings on it, but nothing too major, Alright, this is A First Square Projects. And the inside of the truck is got a little bit of stuff in here, but where's she gonna get back together, get it cleaned up, and get that pedal back in there. Power windows and locks. She's gonna have electric fan. Yeah, electric fan. Alright. If you have any more questions, you can DM me on Instagram at L Projects on Instagram. And leave a comment up on the YouTube video. Stay tuned for my merch, and we're gonna turn this into something else fantastic. Alright, you guys. Signing out.